Good morning. So I chose to do my video exploration assignment over the mental hygiene movement. I honestly was very intrigued by that because when you think of hygiene, you think of like brushing your teeth and taking a shower and things like that. And I was like, I don't know, I wanted to learn more about it. So I did Google it, and I found a journal article named Mental Hygiene Movement as a Revolutionary Trend in Public Health and Interwar from 1918 to 1939, which was published in the National Library of Medicine. So this actually discusses the problem of mental health as a significant medical and social issue in the interwar period. It was an important assumptions emerged regarding modern health care during the early 20th century, including aspects like increased industrialization, progress in psychiatry and genetics, rapid population growth, improved diagnostics of mental illnesses, and the rising treatment costs in the US and Europe. So the mental hygiene movement, which was linked to Clifford Whittingham Beers, focused on reforming psychiatric care in response to personal experiences with depression and paranoia. The movement aimed to improve mental health care, prevent mental illness, enhance the treatment of the mentally ill, and investigate psychological factors related to education. The mental hygiene movement differentiated from eugenics by emphasizing social factors over hereditary ones and combating mental illness. Prominent figures like, I'm going to say this name wrong, Josas Blazes and Adolf Falkowski in Lithuania supported the movement, promoting humane treatment of the mentally ill and addressing social causes like alcoholism. The text also highlights the importance for occupational counseling, speech hygiene, and medical humanities in addressing mental health issues. The innovative strategies advocated for harmonious development, integration of psychological tests, and preventative measures in medical education. So the interdisciplinary aspects of speech hygiene, as demonstrated by Benedict Dilewski's, these names are hard, work in Vilnius, emphasized the role of preventing speech difficulties to promote intellectual development and well-being among school children. Overall, the mental hygiene movement in the early 20th century laid the groundwork for modern psychiatry and medical sciences. It addressed social factors in mental health issues and advanced humane treatment approaches for those suffering from mental illnesses. So overall, this mental hygiene movement, I like to think of it as kind of a clearinghouse and trying to find a more mainstream and easy approach to fixing all of these mental health issues that were happening, and kind of revamping what was already there. So that's kind of like how I like to think of it, as kind of like spring cleaning for treatments and diagnosis strategies for mental health. But yeah, that's what I've discovered.